camera is, huh? Who's the guy in the camera? Oh, yeah. There we go, my baby. You see the camera right there? Huh? Want some more waters? Okay, some more water already. Yeah, a lot of water today, huh? You all come now, huh? Oh, face is so cute. You got the cutest face in the whole world. You're cuter than any human baby, I know that. Human babies aren't like, I like Lukey. Get it. Is that good? You did good work today. Doing good today. Very, very good. Yeah. Hey. Empty your bone, buddy. You're gonna head over to bed. Eat this slimy bone some more. Cover you up with a blanket so you can warm up a little. I know you're still cold. It was raining outside. Me and you were all wet. Only two silly people on the track, me and you, right? No, just now we can warm up. Let's go. Yeah, do some warm-ups. There you go. Oh, you're so cute. Don't feel about that, please. Look at his big butt. Look, if you were a woman, you'd be the most popular woman in the office with that big booty.
Secretary's ass?
Hey, bootylicious, man. Whoa. Calm down, calm down. Okay, I'll give him a little space. That's crazy. That's craziness. That was crazy. What do you get over here? Okay, no more towel dry. You can tell anyway. Okay. Okay, what's over here? No diggings. Don't dig in your bed. Put your butt cheeks down. One, nope.
He thinks he's burying it. Look.
You filming? Lukey, don't bury in your bed.
Lukey, that's not dirt. Lukey, hey.
Keep it. I want to use that in the film. Okay, let's go over here. Your tunnels into the bed. There you go. You don't bury with your nose in your bed. Nobody does that. Yeah. All you're going to get is cotton. There's no dirt there. But it is a good way to keep your nose clean, right?